If you lay with dogs, you get fleas.
I see the only difference is my dogs don't have fleas. Because, honey, I don't lay with dogs. And I don't go with snakes. And, yeah. So this whole shitstorm that you people have caused, you should be so ashamed of yourselves. This is a missing child. These are missing people. It is networked on YouTube. All the billboards are that I'm a part of. On my channel, on shorts, on lives, on Twitter. You know, the platform that verifies people, not Facebook, where you can go on and say you're John Doe. So, just saying, probably should do a little bit more research. Network, don't scam, don't be inappropriate.